Like many New England towns, Tiverton, Rhode Island saw many conflicts throughout the Revolutionary War, and Fort Barton is no exception. The fort, originally named Tiverton Heights Fort, was built in 1777 to protect the Sakonnet River from the British-occupied Aquidneck Island. The fort, during its active years, contained several cannons and was constructed as an earthwork fort. On July 9, 1777, Lieutenant Colonel William Barton and his men commanded a nighttime raid by boat and captured British General Richard Prescott. News of the raid spread through the colonies and provided a moral boost during the fight for independence. The fort was renamed to Fort Barton in his honor. In August of 1778, Fort Barton became a vital part of the Battle of Rhode Island and was used as a staging area for patriot forces. During the height of the battle, the fort was utilized during a planned invasion of Aquidneck Island, with roughly 10,000 soldiers gathering in Tiverton to cross the Narrows. Due to a storm, French naval support were unable to aid the American troops, and the men were forced to cross back to Tiverton under protection of Fort Barton cannons. Fort Barton was abandoned in 1781, but was briefly used during World War II as a lookout post for enemy aircraft and submarines. Today, the only remains of the fort are some fortified earthworks. The lookout tower was built in 1970 for a better view of the bay and was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1973. The area currently serves as a recreational area and includes several hiking trails through the Fort Barton woods. Hikers today can climb to the top of the lookout tower at Fort Barton and see the same view of Aquidneck Island that those brave patriots saw while fighting for our independence 245 years ago. Thank you for watching this episode of the Reveal Our Eye video series brought to you by Nova Pro Media. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. We'll see you soon.